Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay in-store using the PayPal app with a QR code. Let's get started. First, you want to download and install the PayPal app on your smartphone, and then open it up and log into your account. And you want to make sure you've linked a bank account or a credit card to fund your payments. To check that, just click this hamburger button, as they call it, and then you want to go to add banks and cards, and from here you want to oh, it's not actually showing on my screen for security purposes, but once you click add banks and cards, that's wherein you'll need to link your card or your bank account. And then once you're done with that, you can go back and then hit send request at the bottom, right in the center, and look for the scan or pay button at the upper right of the screen. It should be right beside your profile icon. Now, keep in mind this option is only available to limited countries, and it is not available in mine, and that is why it's not showing on my app as well. To see PayPal's full list of countries with this feature available, you can go to their official website. But anyway, once you have confirmed that this is available in your region, you can go at any store that accepts PayPal as payment method, and you can just simply scan the merchant's QR code with your phone's camera to complete the payment. And once you scanned it, the transaction details and amount will appear on your screen. Just simply confirm and your purchase is complete. And that's it. Paying in store with PayPal using QR code is fast, safe, and easy. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.